Alright, what's up YouTube? This should be a real quick video. Finally got the K-Saver in. I got the DRW, the V5 K-Saver, and I got their chain guide. So with the V5 K-Saver, you use the case as a mounting point. I'm gonna use this bolt, and it should be one up under that plastic cover. And I got the chain guide, so I shouldn't be out here trying to cut the bottom of the OEM K-Saver. So the only thing I have to do is switch that one out with the new one. Okay, just a quick comparison. The DRW K-Saver versus the OEM. I don't know what Yamaha expects this to protect against, but that's why you get rid of it as soon as you can. As y'all can see, the chain guide from DRW, it's a little different. It is thicker, but at the end, it doesn't have that bulge that you would have to cut off if you don't change it. So I'm gonna get these put on real quick, and we're gonna see how they look. And DRW does provide you with new, longer mounting hardware, because you will need, the extra length for the thickness of the new K-Saver. Okay, so on the K-Saver, I'm having a little clearance issue. As y'all can see, it's hidden right there on that little mark. So I got a drill bit. I'm just gonna drill it a little bit, and it should clear it in. It's clearing at the top right here, like that'll go in fine, but it's not clearing on that bottom mount right there. So as y'all can see, that's where it's hitting at. So I'm just gonna drill that out a little bit and we should be good. Alright, so I got it drilled out quite a good bit more now, so it should mount up pretty good. Okay, so I got the case saver and the chain guide mounted up. I still had to take the case saver back off, go back and try to clear some more space out. As y'all can see, I actually drilled a hole coming all the way through, and I still need to clear some space for the shifter, so I may just end up going with a different brand maybe. I mean, I got this same case saver on my 2019 and I didn't have, this much of a problem getting it on, so but the chain guide went on pretty easy. And I got the case save on, but I may end up changing that case save out. So other than that, it's pretty much done. So just stay tuned for the next video.